When planning a window replacement project in Worcester, choosing the right materials is one of the most important decisions homeowners can make. Worcester's climate, characterized by cold, snowy winters and humid summers, demands durable, energy-efficient windows that can withstand moisture, temperature changes, and heavy winds. Below, we'll explore the best materials for long-lasting window replacements and how each can improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall value. Vinyl windows. Affordable and energy-efficient vinyl is one of the most popular materials for replacement windows, and for good reason. These windows are made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, which provides excellent insulation and resistance to weathering. Vinyl doesn't rot, peel, or warp, even in Worcester's fluctuating climate. Benefits. Energy efficiency. Vinyl frames reduce heat transfer, keeping indoor temperatures comfortable year-round. Low maintenance. They require no painting or sealing. A simple cleaning with soap and water keeps them looking new. Affordability. Vinyl windows offer a great balance between cost and performance, making them ideal for budget-conscious homeowners. Modern vinyl windows also come with multi-chambered frames and insulated glass options that enhance energy performance, reducing heating and cooling costs through Worcester's chilly winters and warm summers. Fiberglass windows. Built for strength and stability, fiberglass windows are a top choice for homeowners who value longevity and minimal upkeep. Made from glass fibers and resin, fiberglass frames are extremely durable and resist warping, swelling, or shrinking even under extreme temperature swings. Benefits. Exceptional durability. Fiberglass can last up to 50 years with minimal maintenance. Thermal performance. It expands and contracts at nearly the same rate as glass, preventing seal failure in drafts. Sleek appearance. Fiberglass frames can be painted to match your home's aesthetic, providing a versatile, modern look. While fiberglass windows cost more than vinyl, their durability and energy-saving potential make them a wise long-term investment for Worcester homeowners seeking premium quality. Wood-clad windows. Classic beauty with modern protection for homeowners who want the timeless charm of wood without the maintenance headaches. Wood-clad windows are an excellent solution. These windows feature a natural wood interior, often pine or oak, and an exterior cladding of aluminum or fiberglass that protects against the elements. Benefits. Traditional appeal. Perfect for Worcester's older homes or those with historic character. Superior insulation. Wood offers excellent thermal resistance, reducing energy loss. Weather protection. The cladding shields the frame from rain, snow, and UV exposure. Though they require a higher upfront cost, wood-clad windows combine classic aesthetics with modern performance, making them a strong contender for long-term reliability. Aluminum windows. Strong and sleek for modern homes, aluminum windows are lightweight, strong, and resistant to corrosion, making them suitable for modern architectural styles. However, they conduct heat and cold more easily than vinyl or fiberglass, so homeowners should opt for thermally broken aluminum frames, those with insulating barriers that prevent temperature transfer. Benefits. Durability. Aluminum withstands harsh weather and resists warping or cracking. Slim frames. They allow for larger glass areas and expansive views. Low maintenance. Minimal upkeep compared to traditional wood frames. While aluminum is not as energy efficient as other materials, its strength and modern appearance make it an appealing choice for homeowners prioritizing aesthetics and structural integrity. Composite windows. The best of all worlds, composite windows combine materials, typically wood fibers and polymers, to create frames that are both strong and energy efficient. They mimic the look of natural wood but perform like vinyl or fiberglass, offering exceptional durability with little maintenance. Benefits. Excellent insulation. Keeps homes comfortable throughout Worcester's seasonal temperature extremes. Weather resistance. Resistant to decay, rot, and warping. Eco-friendly option. Many composite frames use recycled materials. Composite windows are a premium option for those who want the appearance of wood and the strength of modern synthetics without the upkeep. Choosing the right material for your Worcester home. The best window material ultimately depends on your home's style, energy goals, and budget. For affordability and low maintenance, vinyl is unbeatable. For premium durability, fiberglass and composite windows are top choices. For classic aesthetics, wood-clad frames deliver both charm and resilience. For modern designs, aluminum offers a sleek, strong alternative. Investing in the right window replacement material ensures your home stays warm in winter, cool in summer, and protected year after year. Whether you're upgrading a historic Worcester home or modernizing your property, durable, energy-efficient materials will enhance comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value.